Hi everybody, and welcome to the meditation. This is a very special meditation for miracle making. It's very interesting what the ancient wisdom is for miracles. So often we think miracles come from outside of us, from God, or from unexpected events, because I got lucky, because I've been a good person. I got something that, came from no doing of my own. It's very interesting what they say, because the Kabbalists and the Babylonians are revealing to us something very different. When Kabbalists say that miracles start when we change something inside of us. It's very interesting that an outside, fantastic, wonderful, brilliant thing will happen if I change something within me. Of course, we know that if I keep doing the same things over and over, I only get the same result. So if we're looking for something to really come that is going to help us in a way that is beyond our own logic, it starts when we activate change. It starts when we activate transformation. So I'm going to do with you a little meditation that we can start to bring a bit of change inside of us, start to activate something different outside of our normal robotic programming, and begin the journey to creating miracles in our lives. Okay, so getting comfortable where you are, relaxing your hands and feet, closing your eyes, relaxing your legs and arms. Relaxing your hips, the base of your spine. Relaxing your stomach, intestines, your kidneys, your liver. Relaxing your heart and your lungs. Relaxing your throat, your voice box, your vocal cords. Relaxing the back of your neck, your shoulders, your shoulder blades. Loosening and relaxing the back of your jaw. Relaxing your cheeks, your lips, your ears, your mouth. Relaxing your mind. Your brain. And your deeper subconscious. And just tuning into that beautiful river of green energy coming down from the cosmos, coming towards the top of your head. And just letting that beautiful green energy gently go through the top of your head and start to cleanse inside your head. Feeling that green go through your mind and your brain. And down deeper into the depths of your brain, the beautiful green. Letting the green go into your eyes, your mouth, your cheeks, and the back of your jaw, and down your jaw into your chin. Letting the green energy go through your throat, vocal cords, down into your shoulders and the back of your neck. And letting the green energy go through the arms, down into your hands and your fingers. And imagine 2 balls of green energy in your palms. And just letting those balls of green energy melt into your hands and flow up your arms into your body. And letting that green energy go through your heart, your lungs, down your spine. Through into your stomach and intestines, down your hips, the base of your spine, and now let the green energy go through the legs, the knees, down slowly through the calf muscles into your ankles. And into your feet. And now see in your mind that beautiful area of your life that you want to create a miracle. Really imagining this area of your life at its best possible way, what you really want to see. Really seeing yourself in it, or feeling yourself in it, or coming into the experience, getting yourself as much surrounded by it as you possibly can at this moment. It may take practice, it may take a few times of the meditation, but that's okay. Just do your best right now, seeing the best possible, or feeling or experiencing the best possible result. And now really infuse green energy into this. And just repeating after me the frequency of miracles, Samek, Yud, Tet. And we're going to count from 10 down to 1, and on 1 you can open your eyes. In your mind, Samek, Yud, Tet. 10. Samek, Yud, Tet. 9. Samek, Yud, Tet. 'Samek, Yud, Tet. 8. Samek, Yud, Tet. 7. Samek, Yud, Tet. 6. Samek, Yud, Tet. 5. Samek, Yud, Tet. 4. Samek, Yud, Tet. 3. Samek, Yud, Tet. 2. And Samek, Yud, Tet. 1. And just letting all of that beautiful imagery, that visual, that green, the energy, just relax. Open your eyes only when you feel ready. Keep practicing the meditation, and I will see you in other meditation videos. They require practice. Do your best and come back and repeat. Lots of love. Take care. Bye-bye.